What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to Fix It Garage, and welcome back to the last episode of this build series. Today we're going to get this engine in, which you can see going on right now. We're going to get it fired up, and we're going to test drive it. Remember that if you guys like these kind of videos and you want to see more, remember to smash that like button. Without further ado, let's get right into time lapse and right into finishing up this Subaru.
Gotta build up fuel pressure. Yeah. Yay! Like supercharger. once the fans kick on, we'll
There's
figure...
one fan. Only one fan. The other's an AC fan, isn't it?
Yeah.
You ready for real gutlessness? Oh God! Second gear.
Is that full throttle?
Yeah. Oh, that red's gone.
Ugh. Face ground smack.
Look at that though. We did good. It's running.
It's running well too. Sounds really good.
Minus that power steering.
Gloss over the power steering pump.
Alright guys, so we got the thing all done, up and running. During that running video, I'm sure you guys heard the power steering pump was making a ton of noise. It's leaking pretty bad. It needs to either be rebuilt or replaced. We're going to do that at another time. Otherwise, it sounded really good, so we took it out for a test drive. Drove really well. It's super gutless because it's a lifted Outback with a 2.2 in it, so it has absolutely no power. But that's okay. It's his car, and he loves this thing to death. So I assume he's going to enjoy it for a long time. We've got some other projects on this car and a couple other cars that he has coming up real soon. But that's going to end it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, remember to smash that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. And remember, guys, that on cars like this, you can never stop wrenching.